Hi everyone, Chris Bryant here, and I am so glad to be announcing that my very first hard copy is now available on Amazon, my CCNP Switch hard copy study guide for the 300-115 exam. It was just released this past week, and this is mid-November as I'm recording this, and already it went straight to #1 on the Cisco Certification Study Guide sales list, went to #1 on the Hot 100 releases in technology, and also a top 2,500 seller on Amazon overall of all their books. And for a tech manual, that's a pretty rich company. So thank you for the fantastic reaction to that. If you don't have your copy yet, the promotional price is still going on, and you can use the affiliate link here. If you use that, we do make a few more cents on the sale, and we do appreciate that. If you don't like using affiliate links, you can go straight out to Amazon, do a quick search, and you will be able to find it. There it is, #1 in Cisco certification guides on the Amazon bestseller list, and hot new releases in computer and technology, we were #1 there as well. The Kindle version is also available, and you'll find it on that same page, and here's another link to it. Just a quick word there, you do not need a Kindle to read a Kindle version ebook. You can use the Cloud Reader, which is fantastic. I like to use that myself, just Kindle Cloud Reader, use any web browser there, or the Kindle app on your phone or your tablet or your computer, or chip in your head, wherever you've got it, but you don't need a Kindle to read a Kindle ebook. Now I know the first question you're going to ask, the second question you're going to ask, and the third one you're going to ask, where's the rest of the NP stuff and where's the NA stuff? Well, Route is right behind for a December release. Amazon has that right now, and they're formatting the book for printing, and T-Shoot will be about 30 days behind that, so I would look for that probably late December, early January. And all of my CCNA material is also being prepared in that format now as well. My study guide, which will be an all-in-one guide, and my binary math book, and some new stuff coming out as well, and that'll all be here in early 2016. Thanks for supporting TBA through all of this. I know that it's been a bit of a march through the study guide to get to the hard copy study guides. Little formatting here and there we had to discuss with Amazon, but you will be more than pleased with the result, and the early reviews have been fantastic. So check it out, and thanks for making TBA part of your CCNP success story.